have a full name.
What's your name, please?
Ulysses Cheney.
Ulysses Cheney. Ulysses Cheney. Thank you. Okay. Co-defendants. One moment. Okay, Madam Clerk, one moment. Come over.
Oh, he's amazing. I swear.
All right, Mr. Cheney, you don't go by any aliases, correct? Not a Demario Patillo? Okay, DDC and Mr. Cheney, I do apologize. So I do not have a file folder for Mr. Cheney. I'm still waiting on that file from Mr. Cheney. So let me tell you who I do have so we don't have this mistake again. He can step aside. I do have. Okay, state your name, young man.
Mr. Cheney.
Ulysses Cheney. Okay, thank you. All right, Mr. Cheney, you missed some earlier court dates. When you did, a warrant was issued for your arrest, and these are for tickets. So I'm going to recall all tickets at this time. Recall all tickets at this time. You have the absolute right to have the prosecutor prove these tickets against you. You give up that right to be doing so freely and voluntarily. You also have the right to remain silent. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, would be provided to you, same as today. These are criminal misdemeanors punishable up to 93 days in jail and or $500 fine. I'm going to give you a personal bond for all your tickets, personal bond for all your tickets. Your next court date for your tickets and tickets only, pre-trial date, April 19th, 9 a.m. in front of Judge Jones. April 19th, 9 a.m. in front of Judge Jones. Ticket number SP1011560, driving while license not valid. Ticket number SP1205791, driving while license not valid, tinted windows, no proof of insurance. Ticket number 347414, no operator's license on person. Ticket number SP6068851, failed to display a valid driver's license. Also, ticket number SP1016713, failed to use a seat belt. Those are your tickets. Again, personal bond for the tickets. Let's move on to your other matters at hand. Calling case number 230-56043, people of the state of Michigan versus Ulysses Lee Cheney. Counsel. Not guilty plea will be entered in your client's behalf. Formal reading is waived. As to bond.
As to bond, he's not on probation or parole, is currently unemployed, and struggling with homeless, has 3 kids. This incident allegedly is from January 12th. He does have a couple months to it, Your Honor. These are allegations. He has no assault convictions to my knowledge, other than the fact it is not matter of cases whatsoever. I am accepting.
Thank you, counsel. Court has heard the representation of counsel as to community, family, employment ties of one Mr. Cheney. Court would note that the underlying charges, they're numerous. At least half, it appears to be assaultive on their face. I do not have a capious history for Mr. Cheney except for the tickets, which I will take into account. I do not have a prior criminal history from Mr. Cheney. No indication he's a general danger to the community other than the allegations he is now facing. I'm going to read the investigation report to help determine a reasonable bond in this particular case for Mr. Cheney. One moment, everyone. This court has concerns about the general safety of one Claudia Johnson. Mr. Cheney, you're to have no contact whatsoever with Claudia Johnson. Do you understand that?
Yes.
That means nothing in person, nothing in writing, no contact verbally, no contact through social media, no contact through a third party. Don't send a stranger, family member, or even a friend to Ms. Johnson to have any form of communication with her. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Even if Ms. Johnson reaches out to you, sir, you're not to respond back to her. If you respond back to her, you may find yourself in violation of these bond conditions and you can be the one rearrested. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, I understand.
You are not to possess, purchase, use any firearms or weapons until another court allows you to do so. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, I do.
I did read the investigative report and it's quite troubling. Counsel, it's alleged that your client shot Ms. Johnson in the leg. Also, she was unable to call for 911. It wasn't until, I guess, allegedly Mr. Cheney left that she was able to crawl to the stairs, crawl to the door and answer it, where police were there responding to this incident. And she immediately stated who shot her, which was allegedly your client. This court has concerns with her general safety, that she is not safe if your client is released. Court's going to enter a $250,000 cash bond, $250,000 cash bond. Is that affordable or unaffordable for your client? There'll be a bond redetermination hearing on Friday, May the 24th. I'm sorry, not May, March 24th. March 24th. In front of Judge McConico at 9 a.m. So for the reasons stated, I do fear for her safety. And it's this court's opinion that it's best for Mr. Cheney to be incarcerated than to potentially bring any alleged harm back to Ms. Johnson. Next court dates are March 29th, probable cause conference, April 4th, preliminary exam in front of Judge King. Again, March 29th and April 4th in front of Judge King. If nothing further, we're all set on Cheney.
Your Honor, would the court consider a 10% bond?
Not at all.
Where you going to bring the side cell, sir?